Hello everyone, welcome you all at Padhai Ke Fun Day. Today we will study about division of integers, how to divide the integers. For that we have some questions here. Let us see the solution of them. First of all, we have here the question that is minus 30 divided by 10. Here we will do the simple division as we always do. Just we have to be cautious about what sign will be there with the answer, right? Because here we are going to deal with the negative numbers also. So here we have minus 30 divided by 10. We will divide them simply as 30 divided by 10. So 30 divided by 10 we get as 3, because 10 3s are 30. So here our answer will be 3. But what is the difference? We just have to see that what will be the sign of the answer. So same as multiplication, the same rule is followed here. We have two numbers here. Out of these two, if any one is negative, so that one negative sign will be carried forward with the answer as it is. So our answer will be minus 3 here. Second example. Here we have 50 divided by minus 5. So again we will do the division. 50 divided by 5. So what is the answer? 5 tens are 50. So our answer will be 10. And out of these two numbers, how many number of negatives we have here? 1 only. So this one negative sign will be carried forward with the answer as it is. So our answer will be minus 10 here. If we have only one minus in our question, whether the dividend is negative or the divisor is negative, any one is negative, so our answer will be negative. So minus 10 is the answer of the second point. And let us see the third point here, that is minus 36 divided by minus 9. So here we are going to divide 36 by 9. So we have 9 4s are 36. So our answer will be 4. Now we have to see that our answer, that is 4, will be negative or positive. So here we can see that we have both the numbers negative. Our divisor and dividend both are negative. So these two minus will join together and these two minus signs will make the sign of plus here. So our answer will be positive. So minus 36 divided by minus 9 is 4. Right? So in case of division, if both the given numbers are negative, so answer will be positive. And if any one of them will be negative, so our answer will be negative. If you like the video, don't forget to press the like button. Leave your comment in the comment box. You can ask questions also there related to the topic, and we will positively reply them. And don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.